Good morning. Today's day 15 of the 21-day light language transmissions, and the theme for today is empathy. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, and receive this transmission on empathy. Jesese meyo tisese yaki shosi sala ki moyo tisasa baka. Beshosi galasi moyo ko esaki shoso yenakila sasamio koya baka yaki yala. E moyi sali moyi sese sema yo koya bagi lo tis sema ki e washi sese maya kila sasapaka ya asami koyo kila ayaya se la le so mi agi sasa i moya isalaki ya si kaya manakya kila maya koya la sesaki naya salaka iokti sasa kaya baka e naya koyo sila mi kayo tayako Jasi na kiyamo maya sasaki naya kakagaro. Thank you.